So Tony, how do you feel about it?
I am confident in Eli that he'll succeed with this. Hopefully.
Hopefully, huh? It's a big tree, man. Yeah, it's a big tree. Don't let it fall on him. I'm gonna help a little bit right here. Okay, is it gonna go or no?
I can feel it coming.
Can you? Alright, well, this is my hand. It's snowing. Oh yeah, there he goes. There the baby goes. Okay, oh boy. Oh yeah. So did you get it how you wanted?
Yep.
How did you feel about it? What if it went on a house?
I try to feel pretty bad for Eli.
Okay. Well, it was you. It didn't pull well.
Yeah.
Well, now hold it. Untie it, Tony. Now all they have to do is... How did it go, Eli?
My name is Eli, and I'm with Andy's Tree Service.
Okay, how did it fall perfectly how you wanted it?
Yeah, pretty perfect.
Did you feel any time that it was in danger?
Not 1 second did I feel endangered because of the skills I learned from my big brother.
All right.